So, hello and welcome friends. I hope you are well. I am well too. Friends, I am Binma Sarkar, a student of Gaibanda Government Boys High School, your learning partner. So, friends, in this video, I will talk about the IPA transcription of 7 days. Friends, we know that it's a very common topic, but many of us fail to pronounce the name of 7 days correctly. So let's get started. Friends, at first let me describe the meaning of IPA. Friends, IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet. So friends, the first name of 7 days is Sunday. Sunday. Here its transcription Sunday. Sunday. Expression first syllable. Sunday. Sunday. Friends, then here you can see Monday. 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 Its transcription Monday. Expression first syllable. Monday. So friends, after Monday or Monday, here you can see Tuesday. 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 Expression first syllable Tuesday. So friends, after Tuesday, here you can see Wednesday. 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 Expression first syllable. Wednesday. Wednesday. So friends, the fifth number is Thursday. 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 Expression first syllable. Thursday. Thursday. So friends, after Thursday, here you can see Friday. 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 Friends, we can also pronounce it by Friday. Friday. Friends, after Friday, here we can see at last here you can see Saturday. 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 Stress on first syllable. Saturday. So friends, I wish after watching this video you will be able to pronounce these 7 days correctly. So friends, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to it if you like this video.